We at Primary Workshops for Schools have a boundless passion for delivering a wide variety of curriculum-focused, fun-filled and interactive workshops. Having delivered workshops to tens of thousands of children across the UK, we have a long and proven track record. We are dedicated to giving you the very best of experiences with a strong focus on dependability, customer service and uniqueness. All of our workshops are suitable for early years foundation stage, Key Stage 1 and Key Stage 2. They are also suitable for special needs schools and are easily adaptable to suit the children's abilities. Our workshops are facilitated by exceptionally talented performers. Their expertise and professionalism are paramount, and this will be evident throughout your workshop. We pride ourselves on being able to strike a perfect balance between education and enjoyment. But most of all, we want you and your children to enjoy the workshop as much as we will enjoy delivering it.